Good morning. This is Southern Tennessee Mom. I want to give you a big shout out from Tennessee. It's early in the morning here. I woke up about 1:30 and I couldn't go back to sleep, so I decided to get up and make a DIY. So let me show you what we got here. What we're gonna do. I've got this picture frame that I got from the Dollar Tree. I know you've seen them before. This is raw wood, and I thought it's cute. My niece her stepdaughter is having a big baby girl, and I'm gonna make this sign for her, or not sign. I'm sorry, this picture frame. I just got a cap from an old aerosol spray bottle, and I decided to keep the cap because it's plastic and I can wash it out, so it's just right size. This is Apple Barrel paint. It is get my eyeballs on here. Chocolate bar is what it's called. But I'm gonna make a stain out of this. I'm gonna put a little bit in the bottom of the container. I've got a foam brush here. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this. I don't buy the expensive stains because I think this is just as good, and I think it's pretty. But you can see I've added water to it. So I'm going to mix all this up really well. It dries pretty fast too, and pretty quick. Before we get started though, I'm going to remove this little paper picture here because I want to put that back in there so it's not empty when I give it to her. And then she could put a picture of the baby in there or the whatever she wants in it. But I'm going to remove that for right now. I'm just going to put it to the side. I'm going to keep that and put it back in when we're done. Okay, so let's do the back side first, I think. You can see it's going on rather thin. See that? But once it dries, it'll dry pretty quickly. And it looks almost like a stain. And it's gorgeous, I think. And I just love it. And I've been doing this for a while now. I'm gonna set this up here and just let it completely dry before we start gluing stuff to it. Now, the rest of the items I've got here, these come from the Dollar Tree, and this is it's made by it just says Baby Showers Favors, but I thought it's cute. It's a little baby carriage. Excuse me. And then I have these also, little booties. And then I've got this here. It just spells, it's little blocks that you can get from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to spell out the word baby on it. Excuse me. Of course, I've got a glue gun and glue sticks. But I found this at Dollar Tree, and this is one of those little display easels, excuse me. And I thought that was pretty neat getting this from the Dollar Tree because it's only $1, and you go to Walmart and they're quite expensive for the easels. And then I found this cute little ribbon that's got monkeys and I guess that's one, teddy bears. But it was so cute and just, I thought it was adorable. Alright, so I'm going to remove this. While that's dry, I'm going to remove the ribbon from the container here. I'm going to actually just remove the whole ribbon. And I'm going to make a loop. This is wire ribbon too. And then I'm going to fold another one. Right down on top of it and just keep folding it. I'm going to actually cut just a little bit of that off. I got plans for that little piece there. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's not going to be the same. Okay, now I've got some wire here that I had left over from another project. I'm going to take and cut me a small piece. And I'm going to just wrap it around the center of this bow. I'm gonna twist it pretty tight. Just wrap it around the middle. Then I'm gonna start pulling my loops out. I'm just going to take this little piece that I cut off earlier and I'm going to actually just fold it in half. And I'm going to wrap it around the center to cover that wire. And it's going to meet it in the back and glue it back there. You can see it's starting to shape out really nicely. This is dry now. You can see it's really pretty. All right, so now I've got just a regular Sharpie. It's black, and I'm gonna write the year 2022. That's when her baby is due. I'm just going to freehand it. There we go. I'm going to seal this. I want to seal the Sharpie and the paint so it brings a little shine to it, and this won't rub off, which it shouldn't. It's permanent, but still. I've got just a cheap can of hairspray. It makes a great sealer, and you can buy the sealers in the can at Walmart and places, and they can get quite expensive, but this makes a great sealer. So I'm going to take this outside and spray it. Be back in a few minutes. Okay, I sprayed it, and if you can see, it doesn't really change the look of it, but it just seals it a little bit and gives it a little bit of sheen. You can see that. But I've got my ribbon here that we made earlier. Oops. And I think it's shaped up really nicely. Okay, I got my glue there. Just gonna put my ribbon right there. Hold it there for a second so it adheres really nice. I'm gonna put the words kind of all over the place. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. Make it a little fun. Isn't that cute? Okay, now we got the little booties. And now I'm going to add my baby carriage. I'm just going to add some glue to the wheels there. Go. Now, isn't that too cute? I'm going to add the picture to the back again. There we go. Now, I think that is adorable. And then got the little picture stand here. And it sits quite nicely in the sand. Isn't that beautiful? And it's a unique gift. You made it yourself, and I think it'll be beautiful for some time, and I know she'll love it. Comment, let me know what you think of this. Have a good day. God bless you.